Welcome back to Fighting 50. Today I am going to do another natural gray hair tutorial to teach you how to take care of beautiful, long, natural gray silver hair. Let's get to it. Okay, here we go. Washed it, dried it. Let's get ready. So I washed my hair and I blow dried it and then I straight ironed it. And now I'm going to style it. Back a little so you can see that's...
To divide your hair into it, but you don't have to wait as long. Keep making ugly faces. So, this so part, I'm going to see if I can do it with my thicker.
Okay, so I have it all curled now. Let me unloosen this. So it's all curled except for the top. Top is obviously not. See the... So now you're just going to put your fingers through it. Break the curls up. That's only halfway. We're not done yet. Spray it a little bit more so that it holds the curl. I feel like this side didn't curl as evenly as the other side, so I might touch it up a tad bit. Here's better lighting where you could see it a little bit better. I wish I had this lighting in the bathroom. It would be so much better. I could actually show you what my hair looks like. Should I wear it just down like this or should I wear it up? I think I'm going to actually try to wear it down today. New Year's resolution, I'm going to wear my hair down for the day. Oh my gosh. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so here I am. We're headed off. We're gonna go get lunch today, and I am wearing my hair down, which I haven't in years. So it does feel a little bit uncomfortable, but I'm stepping out this year, stepping out of my comfort zone, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go get lunch and spend the day out and then go home for dinner. We got our pizza. We're headed to the beach for our picnic. Lunch. Oh, it looks delicious. Let me see. So I'm going to do a little taste test and see how this pasta, and the pizzas taste. Look at this. All right, taste test. The red sauce. Really good. Cheesy, a little, not spicy at all, but it has like a little bite to it, but just the perfect amount. And then I'm going to try just Alfredo. Personally, for me, there's way too much black pepper on it. Like it's overwhelming the flavor of the black pepper.
That's my favorite thing. And then this with the mozzarella. It's really good.
You were starving, huh?
Oh yeah. It's new.
Now, I'm going to try the pizza. White pizza. Oh, does it have jalapeno?
Mm-hmm.
Whew.
You can't taste it at all.
It's good. It's not the best pizza I've ever had, and it's not the worst.
Go back.
Okay, so now I'm gonna try their famous red pizza with the fresh mozzarella on top. Mm.
It's messy.
Mm. It's such a fresh like taste to it. And it has like a little bit of lemon and olive oil on it.
Super
Mm.
good. Yeah.
So I'm going to show you our view of where we're eating at. We are sitting in front of this incredible Malibu beach. Wearing my hair loose today. Having a wonderful day at the beach. That's it. I'm trying to wear my hair down like I promised, but the wind is not letting me. So I'm going to put it up. This is what is going on today. My favorite store ever, so I want to share it with you. I absolutely love every single item inside this store. Every single thing is so cute.
I wonder.
I'm gonna go check out Urban Outfitters and see if they have anything I like. What a beautiful day. I'm having a wonderfully beautiful day today.
Those are nice.
Oh, look at that. Okay, so I'm trying a new coffee. It's not that good. Oh wow, I look like crazy because of the wind.
Is the Levi's in the trunk?
Yeah, you could get it out. Do you want to get it? At least I'm having my afternoon coffee, almond milk latte. Cheers to a new year.
And like bright.
Oh my gosh, we're having a wonderful day. So we went to the Levi's store. You're not in it.
I just went.
We went to the Levi's store. We literally struck gold. We got the best deal. Everything was 70% off.
It sounded like you said struggled.
Struck gold.
But the way you said it, watch when you watch it back.
We struck gold.
Yeah.
Everything was 70% off. We hit the jackpot. So we're taking a little stroll by the beach.
Look what I have.
So cute. She got her brand new Levi's that I picked out. So I styled her today. Thank you very much.
Do we take one of them?
Yeah, it's a video though. Which way is better, that way or this way? Great! Happy New Year! Yay! Goodbye 2020. I hope the water just takes you away. Love it. I feel like this is a dream. It's so beautiful and I'm so happy. I had such a lovely, wonderful day and I just want to thank you for sharing it with me and for being here with me this whole year. It's helped me making all these videos this entire year helped me to get through the year and I just want to thank you for being a part of it and for coming along for the journey. I hope 2021 is amazing and blessed for all of us.